Come along with us as we tour Disney's All-Star Sports Resort.
Hey weekenders, we have made it to the All-Star Sports Resort at Walt Disney World. We want to take a second to show you around our standard room. We are in room 5102, which means we're in building 5. Now building 4 and 5 are going to be your tennis buildings, and we are on the first floor. So let me show you around. Again, this is your standard 2-queen room. You've got a little breakfast table with your coffee maker and your coffee and your tea. Those are your 2-queen beds. Really cool looking headboard. As you can see, this is kind of a like metal looking reflective material, even though it's not actually metal. You've got decent sized TV with your mini fridge and some storage right there. Storage on top. This room is an adjoining room, so please note you can request an adjoining room if you would prefer it. There's a curtain in between the beds and the actual bathroom. But then you've got some storage areas, ironing board, extra towels. Here is your sink. Hi. And your bathroom. Cool kind of theming on the shower curtain. It's got Daisy and Donald and Mickey. And then on the inside, it does have a tub, which is really nice. So if you do need a tub, full-length mirror on the door. But again, this is a standard 2-queen room at All-Star Sports.
All right, guys, so this is the Home Run Hotel and the Grand Slam pool. Just walking around, they got the Major League Baseball teams all up here. Giant Louisville Slugger. The Coca-Cola cup. I love the layout of this pool. So it's like a baseball field. You got grandstands over here. That's the next one we're going to. But really, really cool. All right, in this section here, it's called Touchdown. So they got different colleges up there. Go Hokies. And you've got football, AstroTurf football field in the center. Great features here. 2 huge helmets in the middle. There's footballs on the end. You can't really see them from here, but the theming in these resorts is amazing, guys. Oh, there's Mickey. Does that count as a head Mickey? I don't think so. Oh, there's the play. I'll get Bree to run it in a little bit, okay? On to the next one. Okay, guys, so as you walk out of the football one, you're gonna get Surf's Up, which we'll show you in a minute. But this is the main building here. Food court, store, check-in, transportation, and the main pool, which again, we'll show you a little bit more of the main pool here in a minute. We'll actually tour the pools later today. So coming up, here you've got Grandstand Spirits right there in front of me. And over there at the bathhouse is one of the guest laundries. There's another one back at the basketball place, or the baseball facility. All right, so we're gonna go in the main building and show you around there right now. All right, guys, so this is the main building. Right here is the Game Point Arcade. Really nice arcade in here for days off for the kids. The All-Star Sports Hall of Fame. We got some famous athletes here up on the walls. Right straight ahead is transportation to the parks, check-in area, and Sport Goofy, which is the gift and sundry store here. I would point out one thing I noticed different than other resorts we stayed in is the gift store is open 7:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. So that's huge, huge hours. All right, guys, so we just finished in the main resort here. Bree got her drink. We ate breakfast. It was pretty good. But this is the Surf's Up hotel area and the main pool. All right, guys, so we just finished checking out the pools. This is the kiddie pool and the Surf's Up pool, the main pool. Other one's on the other side, but there's nobody in the kiddie pool, so we'll use it as background. Well, what'd you think?
So this pool, obviously the one that we're at right now is the largest, and it's the closest to the food court and the Grandstand Spirit. This one's probably going to be a lot more busier just because of the central location of it.
It also has the DJ here, so it's a lot louder.
Yeah, you've got music here. So this is definitely more the family pool, you can tell for sure. Whereas the other one over by the baseball building is a lot quieter, and it's definitely a lot smaller as well.
Well, they both have about the same depth because there's a 5-foot section at the other one.
Yeah.
So it's good for that purpose. Porpoise?
Porpoise?
No, porpoise is because we're just swimming. Like a dolphin. Yeah. For that purpose.
You just mansplained the porpoise to me.
For that purpose, though, they're both about the same depth. We enjoyed both of them. This one, we've seen other videos and photos and stuff of this one, and this is by far the emptiest I've ever seen a Disney pool. But
we're also here at like what, noon-ish? What time is it? It's around noon, so it's midday. Most people are in the parks right now, and it's a Saturday on top of it, and it's still this slow.
So, but overall, both really nice pools. We've got some B-roll and footage we'll show you of the pools too, but just wanted to let you guys know what we thought.
Thumbs up.
There are large parts of this resort under construction. I think we talked about that a little bit before. But here, this part of Surf's Up, you see the little sign on the window there. That part, portions of that one are being worked on. Okay guys, we're getting near the end of the tour. Got 2 sections left. But first, before we do that, we gotta say hello to Mickey. So this is kind of center of the Hoops Hotel and Center Court, which are the last two to show you. And Surf's Up was right behind me. But really cool Mickey Mouse statue of the All-Star Resorts. It's kind of the centerpiece, I think, of all the All-Stars, music, sports, and movies. But this one is specifically in sports. Sorry about the noise, they're pressure washing. But the next section here is the Hoops Hotel. Don't think you can figure out what the theme is here, but it's a really cool one. Basketball everywhere, giant whistles, giant basketball hoop. I'll show you another one over here. And again, it's got the college team names up all over the place. So, pretty cool. All right, so I know what you're saying is, didn't we already go to the baseball resort? Their section? Somebody didn't tell Huey, Dewey, and Louie. This is actually Center Court, which is the tennis part of the hotel. So you got the giant referee stands there. Huey, Dewey, and Louie been playing baseball. Got the tennis court in the middle. There's the big net. Donald's ready for some serious action there. But this is actually the section we're staying in, guys. So every building is 3 stories, first, second, and third floor. In the middle sections here, there are elevators if necessary, vending machines, ice. It's been a pretty nice hotel. I can't complain. And like I said, the theming is impeccable. As you can see, you know, giant Spalding rackets here. There's Donald. But the theming of this resort's great. Also, this AstroTurf type material they have here feels great on your feet. So thanks for watching our resort and room tour at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button below. We are pushing to 150 subscribers by the end of the year, and you can help us reach that goal. And as always, live your best weekend and beyond. Bye.